she barking at? That dog over there. That's her protecting bird. She ain't barking at that dog, she's barking at that guy over there. The boxer acts like it's hurt. I think that guy's abusing that boxer over there. Because last time I was here, it was like barking and wanting to play with Sheba. And like before I got here, I heard a yelp. And that guy's standing out there. And Sheba's barking at him, and that boxer is just sitting there, acts like it's afraid to move. I think he's hitting that dog. It's just sitting there, and like it stands up, and then it tries to walk, and it hobbles, and it sits. Maybe Sheba senses that guy hurt that dog, that's why she's barking at him. Sheba can sense stuff. Dumbass. Hurt that dog. Where's the guy? He done went in now. He was standing over there by that swing set. You know, now it's barking. It seems to be okay now.